Dear friends, how are you? I believe all of you are fine. I am also fine. Everything is fine. All is well. Today, in our Forgotten Lore, we are going to discuss about a beautiful plant. So, to describe about this plant, I am making this video into two segments. The first segment will be about its nutritious values and the health benefits, and the second segment is a recipe which is prepared by using this plant. So come on friends, let us enter inside the video, our forgotten lore. This plant is commonly known as amaranthus. There are more than three varieties in this amaranthus plant. This red amaranthus is known as scientific. This is otherwise known as red spinach. It is also known as Chinese spinach, and some people they call it as spleen amaranth also. And this plant belongs to the family Amaranthaceae. I will give the scientific classification in the discussion box. This Amaranthaceae is one of the economically important plant family. This plant is highly valued for its leafy vegetable, and this is very delicious also. Some people they eat this leaves raw, but in most of the cases it is cooked and it is eaten. In some places, this plant is grown as an ornament and it produces very attractive and showy, beautiful flowers. That is inflorescence, not flower. This is known as inflorescence, made up of minute um, number of flowers. There are numerous health benefits of this red amaranth leaves. Not only the leaves are edible, seeds are also edible, and seeds are made into different kind of snacks and it is highly nutritious. These red amaranth leaves are given to treat diarrhea as well as to stop bleeding, to stop excessive bleeding, particularly to cure bleeding gums. These leaves are chewed. Otherwise, this leaves juice is taken and it is used as a mouthwash so that we get relief from the pain and as well as the bleeding is also getting reduced. Some people they gargle amaranth leaf juice or we call it as kashayam extract to cure the sore throat. They are goggling it. The leaves and seeds are a rich source of protein and it also contains unsaturated oil in its seeds. We all know the green leaves are rich in dietary fiber, and in the same way, these leaves are also very good in dietary fiber, so that regular consumption of this will remove the problems of constipation. It is told that some people they make paste of the leaf, that is green fresh raw leaves, and they apply the paste throughout their body, particularly in the face, to remove acne, to remove the blackheads, and even to treat oily skin. And some people they use it to cure eczema like skin problems. Not only to the skin, some people they apply the paste to their hair also, so that they believe the hair growth is promoted, and it is a treatment for alopecia. And uh, even my elders in the family they told that application of this leaf paste it delays the slow graying process. That means it slows the graying process of the hair. The scientific name of this red amaranthus or blood amaranthus is known as Amaranthus cruentus. Author citation is Lin. I will give the binomial and the scientific classification in the description box so that you can refer. And in Tamil, it is known as Poongirai. Because it is producing colorful and beautiful, attractive flowers, it is known as Poongirai. So, the flowers, that means the seeds as well as the leaves, are also edible. In some places, the stem part, that is mature stem part, is taken out in case of matured plants, and it is peeled, that means the excessive fiber is peeled, and the inner pith region soft tissue is cooked along with the potato, and it is also consumed as a delicious food. These leaves are full of nutrients such as proteins, carbohydrates, minerals, and vitamins. And regular consumption of these leaves, it promotes digestion, and it is a very good source to control the weight. That means for weight management, this is very good, and for excessive menstruation also, it is a very good medicine, and it is given to anemic patients, and it is said it reduces the cholesterol level, so that it is reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. And there are many essential amino acids are present. One of the important one is lysine. This lysine is said to help fight any free radicals, so that aging process is getting delayed, and even it fights in the formation of malignant cells. These amaranth leaves are rich in phytonutrients and antioxidants, so that it reduces the inflammation of our body, and it gives extra energy and nutrition to our health. This is very very low in calories, so that it is a very good thing for our weight management. It is rich in iron as well as in vitamin C, so that the iron absorption by the blood is getting increased. So it is very good for anemics. Since it is very rich in vitamin C, it is very good to boost our immunity. That means to increase our immunity, consumption of this uh, vegetable, this green vegetable is good. It is rich in vitamin A also. It has beta carotene, zeaxanthin, and lutein, which is acting as a protective layer in our body, so that we are getting healthy skin and free from any infection. And some people say that it is very good for our vision also, since it is rich in vitamin A. It is also rich in vitamin K. It is good for our bone health. It strengthens the bone mass. Not only this, it is very good. It is playing an important role in blood clotting also. And it is some people they recommend it to Alzheimer's disease, as it controls the neural damage done in the brain. It is rich in vitamin B complex also. It has folates, riboflavin, niacin, thiamine, vitamin B6, so that it helps preventing birth defects in newborn babies, so that it is very good for pregnant ladies. And it is rich in potassium also. This potassium is needed for our cardiac health. Potassium is necessary for creating a balanced cellular fluid environment. It has an important role in controlling the heart rate in our body. It is rich in calcium, and it is gluten free. The grains of these plants are very good nutritive food, but all of us we have forgotten this, but it is very rich in all the essential nutrients. Since these seeds are gluten free, it is a very good food to the people who are suffering from celiac disease. Some people they dry roast the seeds, and they pound it, and they make amaranth powder, and this powder is used to prepare some delicious breakfast. In India, in rural areas, we can see the this is roasted. That means the seeds are roasted, and it is mixed with jaggery, and balls of these seeds are made. And ethnically, this plant has a long and colorful history. In case of Mexico and South America, it is commonly used, and it is a major food source to ancient Aztecs. And this is used in many of their ceremonial and religious practices. The seeds are the grains are combined with honey, and they are formed into uh, a dish and that is given offered to the deity and it is worshipped and then it is eaten. Since the plant is very attractive, the leaves are very showy and colorful, and even the inflorescence, it is a red spike inflorescence that is also very attractive, so that it is one of the important plant in many gardens. And these flowers are used as cut flowers for fresh bouquets and even in dried floral applications. This plant can grow up to 2 meters in tall, and the leaves are pointed at the tips and little bit obovate leaves, and they are pointed at the tips, and the flowers are very beautiful, and it is like feather. The inflorescence is a feathery one. So friends, now by using this red amaranth leaves, I am going to prepare a special and delicious dish, red amaranthus coconut eriseri. Come on friends, let us start the preparation. The preparation of the soup, I will show it in a separate video. Coconut cut into pieces, roasted chana dal 1 small cup, cumin, and I have taken 3 red chilies, 3 tomatoes I have taken. So all these things is for grinding. From this I will take only 1 chili for tempering. So for tempering I have taken a little quantity of mustard. So this is also for tempering. So I am adding with this, and a little quantity of black gram dal and green gram dal. So besides this, as usual, we need the curry leaves and then oil and salt. Grinding all these things in the mixie, let us grind all these things. I am not adding water, no need of adding water now, because already we have added 3 tomatoes that is rich in water. Now this is ready. I have chopped this red spinach also, red amaranth. Roughly I have chopped it. So now let us start the preparation. I have kept the vessel. Now I am adding oil. Needed quantity of oil we can add. Now I am adding mustard. With this I am adding only 1 red chili, black gram dal and green gram dal. So we can stir it a little. So with this I am adding curry leaves also. With this I did not add onion. Onion is optional. Those who need onions, they can use it. So now with this I am adding the chopped red amaranth leaves. I have added all the cut amaranthus. We have to stir it nicely for a while, and then we will add the paste, the one which we are grinding. Now with this we have to add the paste. I am going to add it now. With this we can mix water. We can add little more water by washing the mixie and the lid. With this, now we can add the needed quantity of salt. Stir it nicely and then keep it closed for a few minutes till it get cooked. Till that time we will prepare the soup now. Let us check now. It has started to boil, but we have to wait for a few more minutes, I think. I am getting a nice aroma, friends, so I believe it is ready. Yeah, it is ready now. We can take it with plain white rice. It is ready, friends. Friends, now the white rice along with the red amaranth coconut eriseri is ready. Come on, friends, let us enjoy the food. Friends, since this green vegetable is commonly available everywhere, don't underestimate this plant. This is highly nutritious and it is a we can say it is a powerhouse of all the nutrients. So friends, let us start enjoying the preparation and come on, enjoy the food. Friends, thank you for watching this video patiently. I believe I have given few messages about this red amaranthus plant. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Best wishes. Take care.